What's up, everybody? Picked up a lathe the other day. Haven't really done much with it. Bought it pretty cheap from a guy I know, and I plugged it in, make sure it works, but I haven't done anything other than that. So I kind of want to go over it today a little bit and see if anything's broke on it, or what my limitations on it are going to be, what I want to get for it. I bought some bits a long time ago off eBay. Some are new, some are used. I had those at work for a long time, so I brought those home today. So I got some stuff I can mess with, and I printed off a Morse taper chart, and I want to figure out what taper it has for a live center, because this one doesn't have one. So let's get to it. Alright, so I can't pronounce it, but I'm not sure what that letter is. It looks like it's definitely China though. You can thread on it. Has a power feed, and we also have threading as well. So I don't think this one has a power feed for in and out. I'm not sure what axis you want to call it. Doing some measurements. Smallest we can fit on here is about 1.1 inches. When you open it, I can fit about inch maximum. I'm not sure if you can flip these jaws around, but if you can, it's about 2 inch. It's a real tight 7/8 throat on it. And as far as the maximum work piece, which I'm going to say maximum with a live center on it, we'll say it's roughly 14, because we'll know for sure 14 will be more than enough. So I don't have a chuck key for it, but I took an old ratchet and 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, just ground it down, and that'll get me by for right now, just to mess around with it. So I don't have a lot of nice material laying around, but I got this, it's part of my roll cage tubing I bought for the S10, and it'll slide on there, so I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up and put a dial indicator on it, see how true it is, and see if we can make some test cuts on this and see what we got. Alright, so I bought some of these brazed on carbide bits. This one's a 3/8 shake. I got some 1/2 inch and 3/4. Paid like $50 for them on eBay. I had these at work for a while, but we didn't use them. And that was when we first got the lathe, so now that I got this, I brought them home. So I already got my pipe mocked up a little bit. It's kind of close, but it's as good as it's going to get. We're going to go ahead and get our bit changed out. Come with a small one, but I'm gonna change it out. Alright, so we got a bit in there. I think it's pretty close to the middle. If it's not, we're just messing with it today. It's all tight. I can move it in. I want to find the closest point here so that when I start it, I don't just cut it, bust a bit immediately. Okay, our angle looks pretty good. I'm gonna reset the camera a little bit and we're gonna try it. So this is what it's set up for right now. I think it's still a little bit fast, but we're gonna try it anyway. So bump this in a little bit. Contact. Really hoping this thing don't just come flying out of here. Alright, let's give this a shot. Alright, so it's kind of interrupted cut right now just because it's not around that full, so we'll go ahead and bring it in until it's just touching. Back this out and we're going to try it again. Still not quite. Trying to turn this in a little more. Change gear. It's a little rough, but then again, I don't have live center holding it, so there's a lot of harmonic vibration going on. And this is steel. You can tell by the chips. They're pretty rough. They're not that nice smooth. But yeah, so far I'm impressed. I noticed the screw's a little bent. Feed screw there. I don't know if it'll be alright or not. But I'm curious. I'm going to turn this in a little bit, and I'm going to try to thread with it once and see what happens. Nope, that's not working. Wonder if it's... So it's got to be unlatched. Let's try this again. See, but it's a so I was gonna try threading, but I'm not sure exactly what gears I gotta change to get my ratio. I got the feed screw up there, but when I tried to thread it, it's not set up for like real coarse thread. It's really fine thread, so it can't really give you a visual on it. So I guess we're gonna get some parts and see what we can do on this. But I'm pretty excited because I can make some small stuff around the garage, or I can rethread bolts if I need to. Maybe make some of my own bushings. But I guess that's all I got for right now. Don't really have any shaft material, so I can't really thread, but that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching.